Right, shall we start? Right. 1 5 by 6, convert it. 11 by 6 into 24 13 times. 24 10 times 240. 24 3 times 72 plus 1. 73. Total value 313 divided by 13. 6 into 13, 78 gets cancelled. Answer ends with, take these two numbers to left hand side. This becomes positive, this becomes positive, correct? Let me first subtract 1 by 10 from 3 1 by 10. How much is left? 2 added to this number 5. Still how much is left here? 3 by 5 plus 1 by 10, right? 3 by 10 can be written as 12 by 20 also, plus 1 by 20. First of all, there is only one option which is with 5. Minus x square comes to left hand side, all these numbers goes to right hand side, right? 14 square 196, minus 18 goes to the other side, plus 18, minus 4.2 into 45, let me write it as 90 by 2. 2 how many times? 2.1, 0.1 and 0, decimal and 0 gets cancelled. 21 9 times, 21 9 times 1, 189 subtracted here. X square is 25, x is 5. X is in left hand side, take all these numbers to right hand side. Already we have 165 into 5 by 13 goes to the other side, 15 by 11, 5 by 3 divided by 1170, correct? Right, wait a minute. 5 3s 15, 15 cancel, okay? Now observe your numerator. In 165 we have 5 multiple, another 5 is also there. That means in numerator we have 5 square multiple. Look at your denominator, there is only 0, and if you observe last 2 digits 70, that is a 5 multiple but not 5 square multiple, correct? So your answer numerator should be 3 options eliminated. 1170, that's a 9 multiple. Do you have 9 multiple here? 3 multiple? Do you have 3 multiple? Do you have 3 multiple? So numerator 3 multiple, denominator 3 square multiple. Denominator must be 3 multiple, answer 4th eliminated. Last digit verification can be done based on options. 0.8 comes to left hand side, becomes minus 0.8, correct? 6 and 8, 14, ends with 0.4. 0.4 subtracted from 0.1, answer ends with 0.7. Minus x goes to the other side. 1 comes to left hand side, becomes minus 1, correct? Let's first add only integers. 4 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2 plus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1. Now let me take number after decimal. 665 minus 650, 015. You understand? Keep it aside, this number. 445 subtracted from this number, 0.220. So far positive number is 235, but from this we have to subtract 450. So this will be a negative number. 1 minus something, in the sense answer will be 0 point something. Go to options. How many options are there? 3 options are there. So let me calculate this. 235 minus 450, that will be minus 215. 215 subtracted from 1. 1 minus 0.215, that will be 0.7. You are done with the answer. 0.7 is sufficient. 43 6 times. 258. 129. 3 times. 82 minus 63, 19. Squaring on both sides. 361 is equal to 305 plus x. 305 comes to left hand side. Answer 56. Right. 260% of 185 or 185% of 260. One and the same. Let me calculate 185 percentage. 200% minus 15%. 200 percentage is exactly double. 15%, 10% plus half. 26 plus 13, 39. Keep it aside. From this we have to subtract 75% of this number. Half plus half of the number. Or you can treat this number as 400 minus 20. Come on. 3/4 of that number will be 15 less than 300, which is 285. Come on. Answer ends with minus 9 minus 5 minus 4 subtracted from 0. Answer ends with how many? Minus 413 goes to the other side, becomes plus 413. 539 divided by 25 into x square goes to the other side, into 25 divided by 11. X square is this much only. 11 49 times. 49 can be written as 7 square. 25 can be written as 5 square. Total 35 square. These two numbers comes in numerator and these two comes in denominator. In numerator there are 2 digits after decimal, but in denominator there are 3 digits after decimal. So one extra 0 will come in numerator. Okay, let me write it as 56 3402 divided by 54 into 9. One extra 0 will come in numerator. Cancellation with 9. 3 times 27. 70. 70. 7 times. And then 8 times. Cancellation with 27 2 times. 27 once. 108. 27 4 times. 2. 7 times. 7 times of 56. 50 into 7, 350. 6 into 7, 42. 350, 42, and then a 0. Six minus 1, 5. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6. 2 by 3 can be written as 4 by 6 minus 1 by 6. 3 by 6, 1 by 2. X is in exponent for 3. Every other number should be written as 3 power something. We already have 3 power 9. Into, in the sense we have to add exponent. 81 can be written as 9 square or 3 power 4 to the power of 3. 3 power 12 divided by minus. 27 can be written as 3 cube to the power of 3. 9 plus 9 minus 9 cancel. Answer 12. Minus x by 48 comes to right hand side. Right hand side number comes to left hand side. Yes? So it will be 1 by 16 plus 3 by 4 minus 19 by 24. LCM is 48. 16 3 times. 4 12 times. 12 into 3. 36 minus 24 2 times. 19 2 times 38. 39 minus 38. 1 by 48 is equal to x by 48. X is 1. This ends with 0.6. This is ending with 0.6. Answer should end with 0.2. How many options are there? Observe those two. This is 3 multiple. This is non-3 multiple. Do you have 3 multiple? Do you have 3 multiple? 3 multiple plus 3 multiple should be 3 multiple. 4th eliminated. Under root of 4, 144, 12. 12 divided by 3, 4. 8 square, 64. 4 plus 64, 68 can be written as 4 17 times. 4 comes out 2 root 17. ABC started a business together. The respective ratio of investments of AB was 5:7 and that of B and C was 14:7. 14:9. Who is common? B. B in first ratio, 7 part. Second, 14. So you have to multiply first ratio with 2, then it becomes 10, 14, 9. All of them invested for equal period of time. If time is same, investment ratio and profit sharing ratio both are equal. If the total profit earned by them was 18,150, what was C's share of profit? Total how many parts? Where C is getting 9 parts out of 33 among 18,150. Correct? Right. Forget about 0 because every option is having 0. Got it? 9 into 5 ends with, denominator ends with 3 into which number ends with 5? So your answer should have 50. How many options? Done. A tank has 2 inlets AB which take 26 hours to fill the tank when they are opened simultaneously and function together. If A fills the tank twice as fast as B fills the tank, how much time will A alone fill the tank independently? AB efficiencies are given. A efficiency is twice of B efficiency, are in the ratio 2:1. If both work together, they do 3 units and they can complete the total tank in efficiency multiplied by time will give you total work. Now this is the total work and this must be done by A does 2 units, 13 times into 3, 39. Ramesh and Suresh starting from the same place at the same time or at a distance of 492 kilometers after driving for 6 hours in opposite direction. If they are moving in opposite direction, relative speed S1 plus S2. So S1 plus S2 per hour is going to be 492 divided by 6 only, because that is distance between them after 6 hours. Per hour it will be divided by 6. 82 times. If Ramesh's speed is 3 km per hour more than Suresh, that means S1 minus S2 only. S1 is highest speed of the person who is moving with higher speed, correct? Whose speed is more, Ramesh or Suresh? Then S1 belongs to Ramesh only. Question is about, if it is about Suresh, you have to calculate S2. Difference is 3. How do you get S2 value? Difference divided by 2. 79 by 2. 39.5. When 25% of a number is subtracted from 5/9 of the same number, result is 473. What is the number? 25% fraction 1/4. So your original number should be a 4 multiple. So it has to be even number. One option eliminated. And you are able to calculate 5/9. Denominator is 9. Your original number should be 9 multiple. Can it be first option? Second? Yes. Third? No, third already eliminated. Fourth? Yes. Fifth? No. Two options are there. Let's calculate. 1/4 of the number is subtracted from 5/9 of the number. Then resultant is denominator 36, numerator 20 minus 9, 11. So you will get 11/36 of your number. You got it? And which is equal to 473. Now original number is going to be into 36 divided by 11 only, because 11/36 of the number is equal to 473. You understand? Numerator ends with, denominator ends with, answer ends with, already 3 eliminated, 1 more eliminated. A can do a piece of work in 30 days. After he had worked for 12 days, B replaced him. If B completes the remaining work in 15 days, in how many days can B alone finish the entire work? A alone can complete the work in how many days? So 100% of the work can be done in 30 days. Correct? 50% can be done in 10% can be done in 10%. 10%. 3 days? Agreed? Come on. A started and worked for how many days? In 12 days, what percent of the work can he complete? 40% work. Yes. What is 10%? Double is 12 only. 40% of the work is already completed by A. Remaining is who completed? How many days? In 15 days, B completed what percent of the work? 1% can be done in by 60. 100% can be done in 15 4 times, 4 25 times. Done? The average weight of 42 students of a class was 52.5. After 8 new students joined the class, its average weight increased by 1.44 kg. What is the average weight of 8 new students who joined the class? We are trying to calculate average of 8 new students. Already 42 students are there and their average is 52.5. I am starting with average of these 8 new students also as 52.5 equality concept. If average of these 8 students is equal to 52.5, and when you add these people to the existing group, what will happen to average? Average will be same as before. But what happened to average in our case? Increased. That means average of 8 students, is it more than 52.5 or less? More, plus. Average increased by? Average increased by 1.44 for all the people or only for 8 people? All the people meaning how many are there? Already 42, 8 people joined, total we have 50. We cannot add a number to average, so you need to convert into average. Now we are trying to average for how many people? So this must be converted to average by 8, average for 8 only. Numerator 50 times in the sense half of 100 times. What is 100 times? 144. Half 72 by 8, 9. 9 added to 52, 61. and let me add 0.5. A boat can travel 8.4 kilometers upstream in 12 minutes. Instead of using formula, we discussed how to identify speed. Convert into 60 minutes. How many minutes are mentioned here? How do you convert into 60? Into 5 is easy. Come on. 5 times in the sense half of 10 times. 10 times of that fellow, 84. Half, which stream? M minus S only. Okay. 38.4 kilometers downstream, 48 minutes. How do you convert 48 to 60 minutes? By 8 into 10. Correct. Divided by 8. 8 4 times 32. 64. 8 times. Come on. In which stream? M plus S only. What is the speed of the boat in still water? How do you get M value? Sum divided by 2. Answer. The respective ratio between the present ages of Arya and Surya is 5:7. Problems and ages. Go to question. Priya was 14 years old. What is Arya's percentage? Arya's percentage from the ratio. How many parts? Should be a multiple of. Go to options. Only one. Yes. How many kgs of rice costing 48 rupees per kg must be mixed with 49 kgs of rice costing 74 rupees per kg, so that there may be a gain of 25% by selling mixer at 77.5 rupees. Which concept? Alligation mixer? Right. How many kgs? We need to find out quantity. So when you use alligation and when you want to calculate quantity, you should mention price of those 3 quantities. Price of first variety. How much is this? Second variety 70. Mixer 77.5. When you want to use alligation mixer, these 3 quantities must be of same kind. That is very important. All 3 can be cost prices or all 3 can be. Now observe, 48, is it cost price? 74 cost price, 77.5. So you should convert selling price to cost price, right? Already that fellow is in decimal. Is that so comfortable for you to convert selling price to cost price? Fine. What is the percentage of profit? Let's convert cost price to selling price now. Increase everything by 25%. Are you okay? 25%. 12. Increase 60. 25% of this number, half and again half. Half 37. Again half 18.5. 18.5. 18.5 added to this number 92.5. That is not mixer. 92.5. Mixer already we have selling price. No problem about it. Alligation 92.5, 77.5. 15. Here 17.5. 2.5 cancellation. 6 times. 7 times. Ratio 6:7. Are you okay? What is the quantity of second variety? 49 kgs. 7 parts is 49. 7 times is 49. Then 6 parts. 6 7 times 42. So here we are considering all selling prices. You can start this with by taking cost prices also. Here you get 48. The other one is 74. Mixer selling price is mentioned here, which is 77.5. If cost price was 100%, selling price becomes 125%. Cost price to selling price ratio 4:5. Come on. Cost price 4 parts. Selling price, this is selling price only. So this is equal to 5 parts. Now we need 4 parts. 5 cancellation. 15.5. Antena? 7.75, double 14, 15.5. Ante. 15.5 4 times. 15 into 4, 60. 0.5 into 4, 2. Total 62. Here 12. Here 14. Ratio, same ratio you get. అర్థమైందా? బట్ ఇక్కడ డెసిమల్ ఉంది కదా అని ఐఎమ్ నాట్ కన్సిడరింగ్ కాస్ట్ ప్రైసెస్ converted to selling price, because percentage of profit is easy to calculate, 25%. If the total price of 12 tables and 18 chairs is 1880, what is the total price of 18 tables and 27 chairs? Sometimes answer can be determined, sometimes answer cannot be determined. When can we answer this question? If proportionate increase in tables, proportionate increase in chairs. If both are same, then we can answer the question. Otherwise answer cannot be determined. 12 tables became 18, increased by 6. That means half of the tables increased, correct? If chairs also increases by half, then we can answer the question. Half of chairs, 18 plus 9, that is 27 only. So tables wise half increased, chairs half increased, price half increase. Existing price 1880, half both 2820. Yes. In the same question, in place of 18, if you have any other number, answer cannot be determined. In place of 27, if you have any other number, answer cannot be determined. Proportionate increase in tables, proportionate increase in chairs, both must be same, then only answer can be determined. Number of cakes baked by 5 bakeries during 5 months. Number of cakes baked by bakery T in May is approximately what percent more than number of cakes baked by Q in April? Q in April. What percentage more, correct? This is how much less than 300? 39. This is how much more than 300? So difference in the sense 53 and then 39, which is 92. 92 more from 261 percentage into 100. Yes. Look at your options. Close by 40, 50, right? Let's calculate 40%. What is 10% of the denominator? Approximate. See, when you read a word called approximate in your question, use it. Not only at this, for this question, anywhere. When you read approximately word, use it. What is 10% of the denominator? Double. So 104 is equal to 40%, but our numerator is less than 104. Answer must be less than 40%. Go to options. How many you see? How many options are there? 2 or 1? Only 1. It is less, but not that much less. Ante kada? What is the difference between total number of cakes baked by bakery Q in January and May? Q, January and May. To make the first number round figure, how much is required? Take 4 from the other number. How much is left there? 311. 311 plus 200. 511. You understand? T, February and March. February and March. Are you okay? Right. February and March. What I verified was last digit. You know already your sum is 511. And you need to add these two numbers and need to take difference. And I know that T values are more. Which is ending with 0. Our number ending with 1. 0 minus 1 ends with 2 options are there. So we have to calculate. You got it? Hundreds places, how many hundreds are there? In T. 500 cancel. Still how much more you need to subtract? 11. Leaving 500, how much is left here? 64, 56. 120. And you need to subtract 11 more? 10. What is the respective ratio between total number of cakes baked by bakeries P, S together in February? P, S together in February. 424. Cakes baked by P, Q together in March. P, Q together in March. 512. Correct? Tappadu. Try to eliminate options. First, when I looked at these numbers, 424, 3 multiple. Patta pagala current shock istunnaru naku. Is it 3 multiple? Denominator 3 multiple. Can your answer be a 3 multiple either numerator or denominator? Go to first option. Satisfying. Hold. Second option. 57 is a 3 multiple. That can never be your answer. Correct. 51 is also. First of all, this is a 5 multiple. We don't have 5 multiples at all. Moreover, that is 9 multiple. Any rule you can apply. Eliminated. Ardhamainda? Right. 2 options are there. Inka tappadanunta. Advantage is 53. In both of our options, 53 is there. To get 53 from this number, it is division with 8 only. Agreed or not? When you look at your denominator, that is 8 cube, 8 cancel, 8 square, 64, fifth option. What is the average number of cakes baked by R in Feb, March, May? R in February, April, and then May, right? Last digit verification cannot be done because 3 options ending with 4, 2 options ending with 8. Right, so let's take benchmark 200. First number is how much more? Second number how much less? Let's subtract 1 from 13 and let me write 12. Okay. Last number how much more? 120. Total positive number 132. Must be adjusted among 3 numbers now. Divided by 3, which is 44. Already benchmark. Now we are getting extra 44. 244. Otherwise, sum of 3 numbers divided by 3, which you can do. Number of cakes baked by bakery P in January. P in January 273 is what percent of number of cakes baked by S in March? 273 divided by 325 into 100. Correct? Okay. Look at options. Close by 80, 90. Come on. Let me observe numerator is how much less than denominator. This is how much less than 300? 27. This is how much more than 300? 25. 25, 27. So numerator is 52, less than denominator. Agreed or not? Let me identify 52 is what percent. What is 10%? Approximate. 5%. 30 to 16. 48. Still how much more you need to add? Which is approximately 1%. 10% plus 5% plus 1%. Total. So numerator is 52 less, which is 16% less. If it is 16% less, what percent it is? 84%, third option. Clear?